Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your assistant teacher. In last class we have studied about food of different regions, food grains and pulses, vegetables and fruits, spices, cooking oil and milk. And today we are going to learn about tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are also grown in hilly regions of Assam, Nilgiri and Kerala. Tea and coffee also grown in India in hilly regions Assam, Nilgiri and Kerala, and people of India use tea and coffee also. Clothes worn in different regions, different states, different regions in India, people wear different type of clothes. People wear different type of clothes in different part of the country. In towns and cities, people wear modern garments. In cities, men wear trousers and shirt. Many women wear western clothes such as trousers and shirt, t-shirt, skirts, etc. While people in villages wear traditional clothes. Men prefer wear traditional dress like dhoti and kurta, pajama, and the clothes we wear also depend on the climate of the place we live in. People in India, different places wear different type of clothes. In town and cities, people wear modern garments. In cities, men wear trousers and shirt and t-shirt, and women also wear western type of clothes, trousers, shirt and t-shirt, etc. But in villages, men and women follow their traditional clothes, like men wear dhoti kurta or kurta pajama, or women wear saris. And clothes are also depend on the climates where they live. People wear cotton clothes and in winter they wear woolen clothes. Some dresses are common and popular throughout the country. For example, sari, salwar kameez, trousers, shirt and skirts. People wear cotton clothes in summers. In winter, they wear woolen clothes. These clothes are depend on the climate. And some dresses are common throughout the year, like sari, salwar kameez, trouser, shirt and skirt. Different states, different dresses. In Rajasthan, men wear churidar with kurta or an achkan, and women wear ghagra, kachli. Men also wear a turban to protect their head from heat. In South India, men wear lungi, which is also called vesti. In Andhra Pradesh, men wear dhoti, shirt and trouser shirt, where women wear sari, blouse and pavadai. People in Tamil Nadu wear vesti or lungi, shirt, and women wear pavadi, kupsa and pavadai. In West Bengal, men wear dhoti kurta and ladies wear sari blouse. People in Kashmir wear salwar kameez and firans. People Tamil Nadu wear vesti or lungi. Vesti or lungi means a clothes worn by men in Tamil Nadu, which is called vesti or lungi. And in Andhra Pradesh, men wear dhoti shirt, trouser shirt, and women wear sari blouse and pavadai. Pavadai means full skirt with long blouse. And people in Kashmir wear salwar kameez and firans. Firans means a long kurta worn by Kashmirians. People in Himachal Pradesh wear chola, dhazu, embroidered cap. And in Sikkim, people wear baku. Baku is a long dress worn by people of Sikkim. Clothes worn on special occasions. On special occasions like marriage, festival, people wear formal dresses and jewelry. These include brocade and silk saris, suit with ties, sherwani, etc. Women wear gold and silver jewelry with traditional motif. Many Indian clothes like Banarsi sari, Kanjivaram sarees and Pashmina shawl, Patola sarees, chicken kurtas and Rajasthani lehengas are popular all over the world. Some special clothes are worn on the special occasions like marriage, festival, party. Include this special dress which are silk sari, suit, tie, sherwani, and women wear gold and silver jewelry with traditional dresses. And many clothes in India is very famous like Banarsi sari, Kanjivaram sari, Pashmina shawl, Patola sarees and chicken kurtas. Lehenga and Rajasthani lehengas are popular all over the world. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.